Creating your WordPress website the easy way. Congratulations on setting up your web hosting account. If you have not done that yet, watch my step-by-step video tutorial to help you set it up the correct way. The link is below. So now on to the fun stuff, creating your WordPress website. So you should have received an email from Bluehost with your account login information, your username, a link to change your password, and all of that. So all you need to do is click on account login and it should take you to the login page. Enter your username and password and it should take you to your Bluehost account. Alright, so this is how your Bluehost account looks like. You have your home tab, my sites tab. This is where, for your account, since it's brand new, it should be empty. I have quite a few websites set up already. That's why you see them right here. You have your marketplace. This is where you can buy different tools, templates, and everything to enhance your website. Email, this is actually an important tab right here. So the email tab, that's where you can manage your email addresses and create new addresses and everything like that. So the domains tab, this is where you can buy new domain names or transfer domain names that you already have into your account. The advanced tab, this one allows you to do a lot of different things, customize your whole account a little bit more and set up more settings. For now, we're not really going to mess with this because we're only going to deal with a WordPress website. But if in the future you need to check out these advanced settings, there's a lot of interesting things you can do. So let's go back to My Sites tab, and there's a button to create site. So here it'll ask you for the site name and the site tagline. So for me, it is, my site name is WP Live Demo, and the site tagline would be, could be anything, but I'll do that for now. So click on next, then it should ask you what domain name you want to choose. You shouldn't have a lot of options like this. I have a lot of them because I have a lot of websites. For this specific live demo, I will choose my wplivedemo.com domain name. And these options right here, you can decide to check them or not. It really doesn't hurt. So click on next. And it's that easy. Now your WordPress account is being set up. And after this is done loading, you should have a fully set up and installed WordPress website. This usually takes a minute or two, but it's very quick. After this is done, your WordPress website will be fully set up and all you need to do is just customize it. Now there we have it. Our WordPress has been installed successfully. You have usernames and passwords right here. But the good thing is you do not really have to memorize password, especially when you use Bluehost. All you need to do is log into your Bluehost account and then you can log into your WordPress administration dashboard. So for now, I'll click on login to WordPress. So there we have it. We have a fully functional WordPress installation. All we need to do is just customize it to build the website that we want to build. So Bluehost has a lot of different options to help you build your website. If you want, you can go ahead and follow this wizard built by Bluehost and it will help you create your website. But for now, I'll just click on I do not need help. So as you can see here, this is the WordPress admin dashboard. Here's where you have all the options to customize your website. So here on the left, you'll see all the different options when it comes to customizing your WordPress account. We have some of the more common ones are posts. Here's where you can create or update existing posts. Media, that's where you can add pictures, videos, audio, and attachments, and all of that. Pages, here's where you can create new website pages. Comments, this is where you can manage the comments that are in the bottom of your posts. This is a custom plugin. It's an optional plugin that Bluehost installed. Appearance, that's where you choose how your website looks and feels. Plugins. Plugins are actually one of the things that make WordPress very flexible and versatile. We'll get into plugins a little bit more. Users, this is pretty much who is allowed to log in and make changes to your WordPress account. So for now, you only have the one user that's attached to your Bluehost account, but in the future, if you need more people to contribute to your website, you can create new users and add them there. Tools, here there are quite a few tools. We won't look into them right now. Settings, it's actually very good to look at the settings tab. They have a lot of things that you can customize and make your website look the way you want. So to start off with, let's get into appearance. So appearance, here's where you can choose like different themes and templates, and that will pretty much determine how your website looks. So the good thing about WordPress is you do not have to be a professional designer. All you need to do is look at the themes and choose a theme that is most suitable for your website. So let's click on add a new theme, and here we see a list of all the free themes that you can install into your WordPress. So let's take a look at some of them and see which one I would like to use for this live demo. So this one looks pretty good, and if you want to see how it would look, you can just click on preview and you can get a live demo of how it looks. So this is how this theme looks, just showing you the different elements and how they look. For instance, lists, they look like that. Forms look like this. Okay, this is a very basic theme. Let's go back and try to look at some other ones. For instance, hardware store. This one right here. Let's click on preview. Alright, so here this has a big image, but the image does not come with the theme, so you have to add your own images. And this is how the other elements are going to look. Alright, let's look at one more and then install. Show you how to install it. You can even go to popular and let's take a look at this one right here, Hestia. Alright, so let's just choose this one. All you need to do is once you see a theme that looks good, you just click on install. And once you click on install, you can click on activate. That will make this template to be your default template. So let's take a look at how our website looks. So top left is a button with the name of your website. All you need to do is click on visit site and it should take you to a live demo of how your website looks. So this is how it looks right now. It's very plain because we do not have content. So let's go ahead and add some content and see how that looks. Alright, so in order to go in there and add content, you can either click on this plus button right here, and let's decide to create a page first. Okay, so title of the page is Alright, and let's add a little bit of content here. Okay, so that's the content. I'll just click on publish. Then you can even click on preview changes, and that will show you how the page looks. So the page does not have a lot of content, but I really like the way it looks. Here's the title of the page, and this is the content of the page. So that looks pretty neat. Okay, let's go ahead and create a post. So new, then click on post. Okay, this is just a dummy post. I'm using the same content I used there, and we can click on publish, and that will save and publish the post. And then we can click on preview, and this should show us how, this is how the post looks. Actually looks pretty neat. It also has an option to add comments. That looks nice. If we can go back to the home page and see how that looks, we see that we have our posts right here, a list of all of our posts on our home page, and here are just other options. Okay, let us see how we can edit our posts and add a picture. So edit post. Okay, so in order to add a picture, just click on add media, and then Pixabay is a very good website when it comes to finding images that you can actually use on your blog post. So I'll just pick this image right here, and then click on download. Okay, so that's how you add an image to your post. You can preview just to see how it looks. Alright, there you have it. Image within the post. If it looks good, you can go back and click on update, and that will save your changes. Be sure to save your changes before exiting out. Let's click on preview. So there you have it. That was a tutorial on how to create your first WordPress site. Granted, that was a very basic example, but in the next video, I'll get into some more advanced things you can do with WordPress. We'll talk about the different plugins that you can use, and we'll also talk about more advanced templates that will make your WordPress website look a lot more professional. So we'll talk about all of that in my next video. The link to that video is below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please do not hesitate to leave a comment. I will be glad to help. And do not forget to subscribe so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.